Hello and welcome. Today we will look at the small Excel tips on the merged cell filtering issues. If you filter when cells are merged, only the first value is filtered like this. How can we solve this problem? First, I will copy the merged cell ranges, and paste it aside. Select the merged range again, then unmerge them. Press F5 key from the keyboard to open the Go to window and press Special button to open the Go to Special window. Then select the blank option. And click OK to close it. Now only the blank cells are selected. Next, I will check the active cell at the name box, which is from upper left. After entering equal sign, select the cell above and press Ctrl plus Enter button from your keyboard. Next, select the pasted merged cell, and select the Format Painter option. And apply it on the region column. Let's do the filtering now. As you can see, the corresponding data in merged ranges will be filtered correctly. To cancel the filter, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L from your keyboard. Again, press the same Ctrl plus Shift plus L to show the filter option for the selected range. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below this video, and we'd also love to know what kind of Excel tips that you impressed with, and leave it in a comment section below. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.